Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is HP Envy 4527. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to install ink cartridges. We're going to load paper and align the print head. Open up the ink access door, put your finger by the side and lift up the ink access door. The ink holder will move and position itself. The color ink cartridge goes to the left, the black goes to the right. So open up this. This is ink cartridge 302 black. Then go in and also make sure this contact part go inside. Then close the cover. Then do the same thing to the color. Color goes to the left. Okay, close the cover down and also make sure they are in properly, they are not falling off. So once you're done, lift the door backwards and front to close the cover. Then you wait. It will show you on the screen checking ink cartridge, and if you select the ink cartridge, it will show you estimated ink level. So this is how to install ink cartridges. If you want to replace it, put your finger by the side, then lift up. Then wait for ink holder to move and position itself. Then open up this holder. It will prompt the ink to move. Then you remove each ink cartridge. So black goes to the right. The color goes to the left. Lift backwards and front to close. It will show you checking ink cartridges. So this is how to install or replace ink cartridges. Now I want to show you how to load paper. We're going to load A4 paper and also show you how to load 4x6 photo paper. Open up the paper casket. Then adjust this grayish paper holder. Adjust it all the way to load A4. Take decent amount of A4 paper, then slide it in. Then adjust this holder. Then push this back inside the tray. It will show you, did you load A4 paper? Then you select yes. So this is how to load A4. If you are loading different paper, open up the paper casket. I'm going to remove this A4 paper to show you how to load 4x6 photo paper. So to load 4x6 photo paper, you need to make sure the printable area face down. Put the paper on the center, on the paper tray. Printable area face down, then adjust this paper holder. So this is how to load 4x6. Then push it inside. Then it will ask you, did you load A4? Then you select no. Then it will show you paper main tray. Then you select on the paper size. Then scroll down. 10 by 15 centimeter is 4x6. Then paper type. Then select photo paper or specialty paper glossy. Then select done. So this is how to load 4x6 photo paper. Now I want to show you how to align the printer. So select setup button, then select tools. It will show you clean cartridges, align printer. Select align printer. It will show you aligning printer. So it's going to print out alignment paper. Then you take the paper printed out, put the paper face down, close the cover and select scan. Select OK to scan alignment paper. Default print quality. The cartridges are set to default print quality. Touch OK to continue. Select OK. Then you go back. Thank you very much indeed.